volcano. I hope it doesn't erupt. We can't get over the track. It's alright, we'll go over the bridge. What was that? Sorry. Now let's climb the volcano. Why is the floor shaking? We're falling! The volcano's erupting! Bye!
Made by me, Ben.